Okay, alright.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Style with Kajol, where fashion meets function and style becomes effortless. Today, we are diving deep into something we all think we are doing right, but might be getting completely wrong. That is your wardrobe choices. Yes, you heard it right. Your wardrobe could be silently sabotaging your style. But don't worry, I am here to help you identify the top 7 wardrobe mistakes and more importantly, how to fix them with simple, easy, stylish tweaks. So, mistake number 1, holding on to clothes that don't fit you anymore. I know sometimes we are too attached to our clothes or we just have paisa vasool mindset, and hence it's become mandatory for us to wear those clothes even if it doesn't flatter. But trust me, if it's not serving your purpose, it shouldn't be occupying space in your wardrobe. Whether it's too tight or too baggy, if it's not flattering your current shape, it's time to let it go or tailor it. Mistake number 2, ignoring fabric quality. You won't be surprised to know that a few years ago, even I was like, okay, this top is looking good, let's buy it. And I hardly checked fabric type and other relevant details apart from the price tag. But trust me, fast fashion is tempting, but work fabric can make even the best design look cheap. Learn to touch, feel, and invest in key pieces. A good investment in key pieces makes a huge difference, not only in terms of improved and polished appearance, but also you can sense that you have become wiser with your spending. Mistake number 3, wearing outdated basics. So, okay, look, basics are necessary, but wearing outdated basics can really ruin your look. Always keep your wardrobe updated and clutter free with the relevant and classic key pieces. Always review, declutter, and elevate your wardrobe every 6 months to keep it functional. Your white tee or black pant may be classic, but if they are faded, stressed, or piling, they are dragging your style down. So, better you replace them before they ruin your image. Mistake number 4, overlooking proper inner wear. I remember how I used to also think like, who is going to see this outside what I'm wearing? So let's just buy something cheap like which doesn't hit my pocket. But trust me, this is the biggest mistake we make. A polished appearance starts with a quality undergarment. So there are two benefits of investing in quality inner wear. So the number 1, they are long lasting, like really you can use them 2-3 years if they are of really good quality. Though initially you might find them a bit expensive and hard to put your money into, but they are worth it. Number 2, they are extremely comfortable if you buy a proper size. Like I will make a separate video on that because it requires a detailed explanation. But yeah, it also makes you appear more polished outside by seamlessly blending with your skin and without being visible from here and there. So what you wear underneath makes or breaks how your outfit looks on top. Ill-fitted bras or visible panty lines is a big no. So mistake number 5, having a cluttered, disorganized wardrobe. As I said, it's very important to keep your wardrobe clutter-free and updated. Make a habit of reviewing and decluttering pieces you don't use by donating them to NGOs or repurposing them or giving them to someone who will really use them, like your friends, family, or even relatives. And always keep your wardrobe organized so that you can see new pieces and use them, because what you see, you wear most of the time. For this, you can invest in wardrobe organizers. They are really great, especially when you are living in a small home without a dedicated wardrobe. For example, in cities like Mumbai, we don't really have that big space, and if you do, you are truly lucky. Also, if you can't see what you own, you will keep repeating outfits or buying the same things. So better you get that wardrobe in order. Mistake number 6, sticking to one style. So, okay, I get it. This is not only the problem with you, but also with most of us. It happens, right? So, knowingly or unknowingly, we stick to what we feel look good on us. But trust me, unless you try, you will never know what else can flatter you. So you should experiment with different styles based on time, place and occasion. Like if one of your friends birthday party is there and you think it's okay if I don't look that great, right? So then you can experiment with a new style. If it turns out good, then superb. Otherwise, it's fine anyway. Remember, you were not there to crack $1 million deal. So being loyal to certain looks is fine, but being afraid to explore different styles is not good at all. Mistake number 7, not dressing for your body shape. So I know nowadays everywhere we keep hearing dress according to your body shape. But do we really? The answer is no, we don't. Ideally, we as an expert in this field help you to pick up the pieces and fabrics that will flatter your body shape, considering your bone structure, proportion, balance, and so many other factors. But even at your level, you can be mindful of the pieces you wear, because we are smart enough to understand if it's flattering you or not. So trendy doesn't always mean flattering. Knowing your body shape and dressing accordingly is a key to effortless styling. Alright, if you found yourself nodding to even one of these style mistakes or wardrobe mistakes, it's time for a wardrobe reset. Drop a comment telling me which one surprised you the most, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real fashion tips and fashion advices. So yes, if you want a personalized wardrobe review, check out the link in my description for one-on-one style session with me. I help people to feel that confident, develop that self-love so that you are ready to conquer this world. Until then, stay tuned, stay stylish and stay happy. Bye-bye.